Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Kingdom Come Deliverance 2 KCD2 error, failed to load the game. So if you want to fix the problem, then here you will see these are the possible fixes related to your problem. First, locate the game installation directory. Open Steam and navigate to your library. Right click on the Kingdom Come Deliverance 2. Right click on the Kingdom Come. Select Manage and then Browse Local Files. This will open the game's installation folder. The second option is copy files from Win64 shared to Win64 master Steam PGU. Within the game directory, go to bin folder. Open the Win64 share folder. Select all file in the folder. You can press Ctrl plus A to select all. Copy the selected files Ctrl plus C. Navigate back to the bin folder and open the Win64 master Steam PGU folder. Paste the copy files into the folder Ctrl plus V. The third option is verify integrity of game files. In Steam, right-click on Kingdom Come in your library. Select Properties, then go to Install Files. Click on Verify integrity of game files. Then Steam will check for missing or corrupted files and replace them as needed. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.